Hello everyone, hope so you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix auto restart problem in Honor 500 Smart. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.